Here are 5 news items from the world of the crypto industry. First news item. Shiba Inu falls despite increased whale activity. Last month, the activity of large Shiba Inu investors increased, but this did not reflect in the price of the meme coin. The price of the popular meme coin Shiba Inu reached a high of $0.000028 on May 29 and has since fallen by almost 10%. The number of intraday large transactions with SHIB ranging from $100,000 to $1 million has increased by 238% in the last 30 days. The number of larger transactions ranging from $1 million to $10 million increased by 50% over the same period. The increase in whale transactions indicates heightened interest from large investors in the asset. This could be due to various reasons, from positive price dynamics to market trends. In the case of SHIB, the reason was the overall growth of the meme coin segment in May. However, other meme tokens like Pepe, Dogwafat, and Floki have significantly increased in price, while the low demand for SHIB has put pressure on the coin's price. Over the past 7 days, the number of active and new SHIB addresses has decreased by 13% and 9%, respectively. This decline in demand for the asset confirms that the market trend has shifted from positive to negative. The points forming the parabolic stop and reverse indicator are currently above the SHIB price. This technical indicator determines potential trend direction and reversals. When its points are above the asset's price, sellers dominate the market, and the asset may continue to fall. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD) indicator formed a bearish crossover of the signal line with the MACD line on June 2nd. When the short-term moving average falls below the long-term moving average, it is considered a sell signal and a call to close long positions. If this trend continues and market participants keep closing long positions, the price could drop to $0.000023. However, if this scenario does not materialize, the coin could trade around $0.000026. Second news item. FBI warns job seekers of new wave of crypto scams. The Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, advises job seekers to be cautious when looking for work. There are many fake job postings online, through which hackers aim to steal your cryptocurrency. The FBI has issued a new warning about a new wave of crypto scams. Recently, the FBI has noted an increase in fraudulent ads related to remote work. Fake employers contact job seekers and offer them relatively simple tasks to complete, such as rating restaurants or optimizing a service by repeatedly clicking a button. Victims may not suspect anything. The fraudsters direct them to a website with a fake interface that shows the victim earning money. However, they will never be able to cash out the earned funds but are unaware of this at the time. Job seekers are also offered to unlock more tasks to earn more money. However, unlocking requires a cryptocurrency payment that goes directly to the scammers. Scammers pose as legitimate businesses, such as a staffing or recruiting agency, and may contact the victim through an unsolicited call or message. They present the job seeker with a fake job with a convoluted compensation structure that requires cryptocurrency payments to earn more money, while all payments go directly to the scammer, the FBI said in a statement. The popularity of remote work is growing. According to Statista, by the end of 2023, the number of work-from-home employees worldwide increased to 28%. What to look out for and how not to get caught. FBI representatives highlighted the following signs that suggest a scam. As part of the task, the employer offers to make a payment in cryptocurrency. The job description includes the term optimization, which implies performing simple tasks. The employer does not ask for references during the hiring process. The protection tips are familiar, but another reminder never hurts. Do not click on links, download files, or open attachments contained in job offers. Never send money to a potential employer. Do not pay for services that promise to recover lost cryptocurrency. Do not send financial or personal information to anyone. Previously, the FBI released a report stating that in 2023, U.S. residents' losses from crypto scams increased by 53% to $3.94 billion. The previous year's figure was $2.57 billion. Third news item. TON and Tether to form over 100 partnerships for USDT integration. Tether and the TON Foundation have announced a partnership with the main goal of making the stablecoin USDT available to every user. The issuer of the market's most popular stablecoin and the non-profit organization behind the open network development have planned over 100 integrations for wider USDT adoption on TON. According to the press release, the business development teams of Tether and the TON Foundation play a key role in the project. They are negotiating with local partners and communities worldwide. Various payment projects from Africa, Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, and Latin America have already joined the platforms. In the coming weeks and months, the TON Foundation will announce collaborations with new cryptocurrency exchanges. Through these partnerships, the nonprofit organization aims to provide users with more opportunities to access Toncoin and USDT on the Ton blockchain and trade these assets. In the statement, representatives noted that anyone interested could contribute to the successful deployment of integrations. To do this, one needs to stay updated on all developments and use USDT on Ton with blockchain partners. The integration of USDT on Ton with over 100 local partners marks an important milestone on our path to global adoption. Thanks to a dedicated team, strategic partnerships, and a community-focused approach, our main goal in creating Ton is to change the Web3 landscape. Together we can make USDT available to every wallet, creating a future where blockchain technology becomes accessible to all, the statement reads. Tether included Ton among the supported networks in April this year. This decision aligns with the project's broader strategy, which increasingly incorporates blockchain technology through the Telegram Messenger. Recently, Telegram transitioned to accepting advertising payments in Toncoin. Previously, the Tonkeeper crypto wallet, initially created for Ton, added gasless payments in USDT. According to developers, the new feature aims to accelerate blockchain adoption in everyday financial activities and reduce the entry barrier for new users. Fourth news item. Bitcoin will reach $100,000 before U.S. presidential elections. According to Jeffrey Kendrick's forecast, as the voting date in November approaches, Bitcoin's price will steadily rise to the round mark of $100,000. In the event of Donald Trump's victory, the first cryptocurrency could trade above $150,000, Kendrick believes. The investment analyst thinks that the current administration recently demonstrated pragmatism by approving spot exchange-traded funds, ETFs, tied to Ether. However, later, Joe Biden vetoed the resolution to repeal Staff Accounting Bulletin 121, SAB 121, which tightens requirements for financial organizations. Trump is expected to be more crypto-friendly than Biden, hopes the head of Standard Chartered. Favorable non-farm employment figures in the American economy will also play a positive role, the expert anticipates. Bitcoin has a chance to reach a new record high over the coming weekend. This will pave the way for Bitcoin to $80,000 by the end of June and $200,000 by the end of next year, 2025, insists the Standard Chartered representative. If Bitcoin touches $150,000 by the end of 2024, it could become part of the asset club with a market capitalization of $3 trillion, following the example of Nvidia Corporation shares that reached this figure. Fifth news item. Bitcoin proved its resilience as an asset class. Julia Leung stated that most central banks and economists worldwide are skeptical about cryptocurrencies. Many participants in the traditional financial market are convinced that Bitcoin and Ether have no intrinsic value, but the Hong Kong official disagrees with this viewpoint. Debates about the value of cryptocurrencies can go on endlessly, but in 15 years, Bitcoin has experienced several ups and downs, proving its economic resilience. This means it can be considered an alternative to traditional finance. Even more evident is the distributed ledger technology on which cryptocurrencies operate. It is also here to stay, said Julia Leung. The SFC is currently working on a new regulatory regime for stablecoins pegged to fiat currencies. Recently, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, completed public consultations, discussing high liquidity reserve requirements for stablecoin issuers with stakeholders. The SFC is also participating in Project Ensemble, launched by HKMA to develop a central bank digital currency. This project focuses on tokenized deposits. Additionally, a regulatory sandbox will be launched for trading and settlements of tokenized products, including green bonds and carbon credits. Last year, the SFC chairperson stated that cryptocurrency trading had already become an important part of the global ecosystem, and stricter regulation would help strengthen market confidence after the collapse of the FTX crypto exchange.